Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amish Sharma. Today we are going to solve all the questions of abstract algebra from GATE Mathematics 2015. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 14. Let C belongs to Z3 be such that Z3x divided by x cube plus cx plus 1 is a field, then C is equal to. In order to solve the question, we have to learn the following results. Result number 1. If f of x belongs to Zpx and f of a is not equal to 0 for all a belongs to Zp, where degree of f of x is less than equal to 3, then f of x is irreducible over Zp. Result number 2. If f is a finite field of order p and f of x is irreducible polynomial over f of degree n, then fx divided by ideal generated by the polynomial f of x is a field of order p to the power n. Given that C belongs to Z3 such that Z3x divided by x cube plus cx plus 1 is a field, this implies x cube plus cx plus 1 is irreducible over Z3. For this, we have to take the value of C equal to 2, which belongs to Z3. Hence, the value of C is 2. Question number 38. Let G containing the element E, x, x square, x cube, y, x, y, x square, y, x cube, y with order of x is 4 and order of y is 2 and xy equal to yx cube, then the number of elements in the center of group G is equal to. In order to solve the question, we have to remember the following result. The order of center of dihedral group Dn, where n is greater than equal to 3, is 2 if n is even, 1 if n is odd. Given G containing the element E, x, x square, x cube, y, x, y, x square, y, x cube, y with order of x is equal to 4, this implies x to the power 4 equal to identity, order of y is equal to 2, this implies y square equal to identity, and xy equal to yx cube. Now xy equal to yx cube, multiplicating x on both sides, we get xyx equal to yx to the power 4. This further simplified as x yx equal to y. Why it is so? Because order of x is 4. This implies x to the power 4 is identity. Now multiply x inverse on both sides. We get yx is equal to x inverse y. Therefore, G can be represented as y to the power I, x to the power j such that y square equal to identity, x to the power 4 equal to identity, yx equal to x inverse y, where I varies from 0 to 1. And j varies from 0, 1, 2, 3. This is isomorphic to D4. Therefore, order of center of D4 is 2. Hence, the number of elements in the center of group G is 2. Question number 39. The number of ring homomorphism from Z2 cross Z2 to Z4 is equal to. In order to solve the question, we have to remember the following results. Result number 1. Let R be a ring, an element A belongs to R is said to be an important element of R if A square equal to A. Result number 2. A homomorphism T from ring R1 to R2 is defined by Tx equal to Ax is said to be ring homomorphism if A is an idempotent element of R2. Result number 3. A commutative ring with unity R is said to be an integral domain if A is not equal to 0 belongs to R and B is not equal to 0 belongs to R, then AB is not equal to 0. Result number 4. If R is an integral domain, then R has exactly two idempotent elements 0 and 1. Result number 5. If T is not a group homomorphism, then T is not a ring homomorphism. Since Z4 has an integral domain, this implies Z4 has idempotent element 0 and 1. Therefore, Txy is equal to 0, Txy equal to 1 into x and Txy equal to 1 into y can be ring homomorphism. Tx, y is equal to 0 is a ring homomorphism which is trivial. Tx, y is equal to x and Tx, y equal to y is not a group homomorphism because order of 1 is 4 in Z4. But Z2 cross Z2 doesn't have an element of order 4. Hence, the number of ring homomorphism from Z2 cross Z2 to Z4 is 1, which is trivial. Question number 40. let Px is equal to 9x to the power 5 plus 10x cube plus 5x plus 15 and Qx is equal to x cube minus x square minus x minus 2 be two polynomial in Qx, then over Q. Option A, Px and Qx are both irreducible. Option B, Px is reducible but Qx is irreducible. Option C, Px is irreducible but Qx is reducible. Option D, Px and Qx are both reducible. In order to solve the question, we have to remember the following results. Result number 1. Let R is an integral domain. A non-zero, non-unit polynomial f of x belongs to Rx is said to be irreducible polynomial if f of x is equal to gx into hx, where gx and hx belongs to Rx. Then either gx is unit or hx is unit in Rx. Result number 2. Let f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on up to an x to the power n belongs to zx if there exists a prime number p such that p divides a0, p divides a1 and so on, p divides an minus 1, but p does not divide an and p square does not divide a0, then f of x is irreducible over q. It is known as Einstein irreducible criteria. Now given Px is 15 plus 5x plus 10x cube plus 9x to the power 5. Now complete the polynomial, we get Px is 15 plus 5x plus 0x square plus 10x cube plus 0x4 plus 9x to the power 5. Choose prime p equal to 5 such that 5 divide 15, 5 divide 5, 5 divides 0, 5 divides 10 and 5 divides 0. But 5 does not divide 9 and 5 square does not divide 15. Then by using Einstein's irreducible criteria, Px is irreducible. Now Qx is equal to x cube minus x square minus x minus 2, which can be further written as x minus 2, it is hx, and x square plus x plus 1, it is gx. But neither hx nor gx is unit in Qx. This implies Qx is reducible over Q. Therefore, Px is irreducible and Qx is reducible. Hence, option C is true. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.